Has anyone else noticed the rapid development in the world of robotics today? Crazy, right? What seems like a breakthrough today can be considered to be a thing of the past by the time your dinner is ready. The last few months have been especially difficult to keep up with as these advancements continue to take place at such a rapid pace. Let's take a look at some of the amazing developments that have taken place in the world of robotics and AI in the last year or so. LG Moving Smart Home Hub. Let's start with what LG set out to do at the beginning of the year. During CES 2024, the South Korean multinational appliance and consumer electronics corporation stunned everybody with their latest creation, a small, friendly-looking robot that was created to make life at home easier for all who welcome it within its walls. This 1-foot-tall bipedal robot is filled with the AI technology to keep your home in great shape. It is designed to actually walk around the user's home so that it can survey the space for any issues. We're talking about issues ranging from keeping an eye on your pet to actually measuring how you feel in order to make sure that you have a decent day. Eager to push the ante, LG equipped this robot with the Qualcomm Robotics RB5 platform. The robot is constantly learning as it is proven to get smarter as time goes on. This allows it to become a better companion as it learns your preferences over time. With this so-called moving smart home hub will be able to ensure that the chores you have to do around your home are drastically reduced. It does this by being able to connect to all the smart devices in your house. As it continues to learn, it will be able to determine the best times to make use of some of these devices. Not only can it help you switch your lights on or off, depending on if you're home and other similar factors, it can also ensure that certain entrances to your home are shut and secure for your safety. Even when you are out, it can act as a way to make sure that your home is safe because it can give you a feed of what is going on when you are not there. In the very least, it can help you learn which one of your pets keeps chewing your remote control when you are away. Apparently, this robot is part of LG's plans to introduce to make a range of smart home products that aim to make your life easy, thereby fitting into their vision of a zero-labor home. With such an intelligent robot within your walls, life is definitely set to be a lot easier for you. Covariant's advanced AI robots, eager to compete with the likes of LG, Covariant, one of the most innovative companies in the world of robotics, have set their sights on making use of advanced AI that has the ability to power digital tools in order to create robots that can operate in the physical environment. With such technology, Covariant hopes that it can make robots that will actually be able to learn and operate in the real world. We have 3 former researchers from OpenAI to thank for this. Thanks to these guys, Covariant has been able to make a lot of progress when it comes to developing software that gives robots the ability to learn and adapt through observation and interaction with their surroundings in the same manner that chat robots learn from databases. From their base in California, Covariant works hard on enhancing their robots' abilities, especially the ones that will be used in warehouses. As we hunted on before already, these robots have been given the space to learn from their environment, thereby giving them the ability to excel at tasks such as picking up, moving, and sorting items with a previously unforeseen level of sophistication. Add the fact that it has the ability to understand conversations in English, there is every hope that it would also be able to display a level of human-like interactions. This will allow their users to communicate with them as though they were actually communicating with a chatbot. Maybe one day it may actually feel like the user is communicating with another human being. Upon analysis, users will find that the key item responsible for Covariant's innovation is the integration of sensory data from cameras and other sensors with the extensive textual data that has a lot of similarities with that found in some of the best chatbots out there. Again, this gives the robots the ability to get a better understanding of their surroundings, thereby also allowing them to succeed in the performance of a wide variety of tasks, even those that it wasn't explicitly programmed to deal with. This is a step away from the principles of traditional robotics, as prior to this, such an adaptive nature was difficult for robots to exhibit because machines usually do not perform tasks that they aren't programmed to perform. Such is the nature of their limitations. That said, this technology isn't perfect. The robots can be prone to errors from time to time. Sure, these are flaws, but it just shows the level of progress that has been made at Covariant so far. With any luck, they may be able to find the solutions to these quirks. That way, they can finally release these robots capable of adapting as it takes on tasks into the world. Neuralink mind control. Move over, Professor X. You're not the only person with telekinetic abilities anymore. Well, sort of. You see, it's only a matter of time before we all live in a new reality where you can use only your thoughts to play games, move items on your screens, and even control computers. When we say it is only a matter of time, we actually mean it. Thanks to our tech billionaire Elon Musk and his Neuralink, we can see that such a reality is actually within reach. Thanks to this technology, we have seen people play chess on the internet with just their minds. With this in place, we could actually be on the verge of living in a reality where thinking and technology combine together in order to help us do things that we had only dared to conceive in our thoughts. Neuralink pulled off one heck of a job introducing this technology to the world. They did this by showing the world how its first ever patient used one of their brain chips to play chess online. Truly amazing stuff. This occurred when their 29-year-old patient, known as Nolan Darbaugh, lost the use of his limbs when he became paralyzed below the shoulders after an unfortunate diving accident. Grim, but thanks to Neuralinks and their state-of-the-art technology, Nolan can actually move a computer cursor with nothing but his mind. As you can imagine, this must have felt like a breath of fresh air for the poor man, as it allows him to take part in activities that he must have given up on following his tragic accident. For those who linked into the live stream of Nolan playing chess on his computer, we all witnessed this heartwarming moment with joy while also ruminating on the possibilities in terms of the general application of this technology. Imagine a world where this technology actually allows people to interact with computers with only the use of their minds. Absolutely incredible. It helps when Nolan stated that the surgery to install the brain chip seemed to be an easy procedure. Within a day of having the surgery, he was out and about, eager to put his new abilities to the test without any impairments or side effects. Despite this success, Musk and Neuralink have been quick to remind the world that this technology is still in its infancy. Sure, the chip has helped Nolan regain some vitality in his life, as he's been able to do things that his disability have prevented him from doing for some time now. But this is just the beginning, as the technology is far from perfect. In fact, they have had their fair share of problems as they continue on this journey for the perfect chip. These are the sentiments of people such as Kip Ludwig, a former program director for neural engineering at the U.S. National Institute of Health. He claimed that while Neuralink's achievement with Nolan isn't a breakthrough per se, it does represent a vital step forward for the field of neural engineering. With this in mind, there is every chance that with the current rate of advancement that we are witnessing in the world of AI and robotics, it could truly only be a matter of time before we can all make use of our computers with only our thoughts.